Hey guys, welcome back to the Tectonic, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make RFID security lock. To make this project we need some component like buck converter, RFID module, Arduino Uno, brain of this project, and this is RFID tag, and this is the 5-volt relay, and one 12-volt solenoid lock. So in the first step we have to solder the wire to the buck converter. So after complete the buck converter connection, we have to make the connections of solenoid with the buck converter. So ground of solenoid will connect with the buck converter, and the positive wire of buck converter and solenoid lock will be connected to the relay NO and common wire. So we have completed the relay, solenoid lock and buck converter connection here. Here we are using 12-volt supply. So we can directly connect the solenoid lock with the 12-volt supply, and buck converter we are using here to step down the voltage. So we can use this voltage with the Arduino Uno. So we are adjusting the buck converter to the 5 voltage by this screw. By this screw you can adjust the voltage of buck converter like we are adjusting this to the 5 voltage. So this is our circuit diagram, and we have completed the right side part as you can see here. So now we have to complete the left part of circuit diagram, in which we have to connect Arduino Uno with the RFID module. So now we started the Arduino and RFID module connections. So we have also completed these connections too. Now we have to complete the LED part. And we have 2 LEDs and 2 resistors, and we are making a small PCB so we can make the connections easily. And after completing this small PCB, we have to connect this small PCB with the Arduino Uno like this. So now it's time to upload the code, and the code part is divided into 2 parts. First part is to get the information of the RFID tag. So first code we are uploading here into the Arduino, which will help us to get the code inside the RFID tag. Each RFID tag has a unique code. So how we can get this code, you can see in this video. So now you have to open the serial monitor after uploading the code, and now you have to tap this RFID tag onto the module. Now you can get the card information on the serial monitor screen, and you have to copy this code and paste this code to your final code. So now we have to paste this information to the final code. So this is the final code, and now we need to paste this code here. So we are pasting this code here, so the Arduino can recognize the RFID tag module. And this is our final code, and again we have to upload the code to the Arduino. Code is uploaded. Now we have to check our system is working or not. So here you can see our system is perfectly working. So now we have to assemble all the things at one place, and we have this one wooden part, and we have to assemble all the things over there. So you can see how we are doing this. So we have completed almost everything, and now we have to check all the things are working or not. In this video you can see when I put RFID tag near to the RFID module, the lock will open and close automatically. So all the things are working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.